Hello everyone, hey, this is Ed, Bluebonnet Softwash, and I'm here with my man Christian. Christian, how are you, Christian?
Very good, man.
Tell us about, it's Christian Gutierrez out of San Antonio. Tell us your company name and the area that you're going to work in.
Company name is Well Washers. It's going to be around San Antonio, south side of San Antonio.
Okay, all right. So Christian, he's got this big old rig, professional looking rig, and he's ready to get after it in South Texas, South San Antonio in Texas. And hey Christian, how was your dealing company behind this skid?
It was pretty smooth.
Yeah?
He taught me a little bit. I'm starting off, so he's teaching me a little bit about how it works.
Okay.
It was pretty smooth. And
All right. How was your purchasing? How did that work out for you?
it was
Very
pretty good.
smooth, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So hey, again, if you're in San Antonio, in Texas area, Christian, my man here, what's your company name? I didn't get your company name.
I said, Well Washers.
Well Washers, yeah. Well Washers out of South Texas. Hit him up. He's got this freaking awesome. You pretty happy with this skid?
Oh yeah.
He's ready to make some money, and this is a money maker. So those of you out there ready to start your own business, get after it. Reach out to Ed, Bluebonnet Softwash. We are here. No time, no wait. Best in
Texas.
Texas. You got that right. Take care.